long time I'm uploading the video because of some reasons. But today I'm here with the most interesting topic that actually we are very known to it. So it is large language models, also called LLM. So do you know about large language model or have any idea about it? If not, let's begin. So what is LLM? So let us explain this or let us understand this with an example. So do you have any digital assistant or Alexa at your home? So you will be very known to this that when you give any prompt to it or any question to it, it gives you answer in a very friendly way. Okay, so how it gives it? So it is known as pre-trained data, that it has a very huge pre-trained data that it is using. It is means what? That it is learned from huge amount of text previously that it is giving us now, that it can understand and generate human language. Means how it can understand, because it is continuously interacting with humans, checking and also helping them. So it is getting trained day by day by each and every prompt that we are giving to them. So this is the short definition for LLM. And also, what is the use of it? Why we should use it? For answering our questions, writing, creative writing like write stories, dialogue writings, or etc. Or even having a fun conversation, just a simple conversation. Sometimes we feel lonely and we think of talking with someone. So AI LLM is also a very good for that. And do you know that we can download this on our local machine also? Yes, without accessing internet. So do you know how to do it? If not, let me tell you. There are so many platforms offering this facility, but today we will talk about Ollama. So let us begin. Ollama is a free platform which allows us to download all the LLM models for free. So to do it, we have to just click on go on Google and search Ollama. Then you will see the first site over here, and you have to click on it. You will see the first page will be just like this. To download it, it's very simple. You have to click on download, and it's available for all three operating system: Mac, Linux and Windows. So you can download for anyone. You can just choose on it and you have to download. For me it's Windows, so I will click on download, and now it will start downloading. In a corner you can see, oh yeah, this. But actually it's downloaded in my system, so that's why I've just to show you I have did this. And after downloading, it's very simple. You have to install it, and installing process is just simple as that we normally do. So whenever you will download and install Ollama, you will able to access these three columns: Discord, GitHub and models. You can see the models column. You have to click here. Here only you will able to get the all LLM models. Okay, so let's see here. There are so many models, see, and they are all our leading models, most popular models used. So today for our example, I'm gonna take Llama 3.2, which is made by Meta. Let me tell you something about Meta. Meta is a model. No, Meta is a company which has made so many LLM models, and including the parent company of WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. So let me show you this model Llama 3.2. Because of our computer's capability of size, we are taking the small model of 2 GB. If your computer is capable of having a big data or big GBs LLM, so you can just take according to your need and your computer's speed. So I have took the 3 billion parameter Llama 3.2, and it's as simple as that to download this on your local machine. To do it, here on right side you can see a command Ollama run Llama 3.2. Not only in Llama, you can see it in every and each LLM model available here. You just have to do is it copy here and just go on command prompt, and here you have to just copy and paste the command. That's all. Now actually I have installed this already on computer because it takes a bit more time. So it will just show you this type of interface. After downloading and installing, it will just install, and then you will see this interface that send a message for help. So for your kind instance, I have just prepared some questions so that we can ask it. So what are the questions? So let us ask it to tell us a joke. Wait a minute. So let us see what type of response it gives. What do you call a fake noodle? A impasta. Do you find it funny? Let me know in comments. Let us see another example. Why is the sky blue? Let us see. What type of result it gives. The reason why sky appears blue is due to a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering, named after British physicist Lord Rayleigh, who first described in it late 19th century. Oh my god. It is a very big description. You can see here. It is still giving us more information about it. So if you want a small answer, you can just write in short so that it will not give you the big answers. You can use it for your daily lives. And do you know that now we are living in AI era, that in each field, from medical to banking, each field AI is used. From shopping it's used, and that's why I think that we should learn about this type of LLM models. And it is a base of AI. Without LLM, we can't even run the model. Do you know that this is only AI? Just for example, it's LLM because it's base of AI. So I think that this was the very easy and very very easy video for you guys. So let us see that what we have learned today. We have learned definition and examples of LLM. So what is LLM? That is a model, pre-trained model, okay? Practical uses is Alexa, that I told you just now, Google Assistant. What is Ollama? Ollama is a free platform which provides us the all the LLM models for free for normal people. To install Ollama, I have just told you how to do it on your local machine. Then how to install LLM on local machine, that you have to go and copy the prompt and give it on the command prompt, and it will be downloaded. Then how to use prompt to generate responses. You have saw I have given two examples and or two prompts, and it have gave us a wonderful response. So I think that this video helps you a lot, and I hope that this video is helpful for you. And let me know in comments how you do. You like the video? Do you not? Didn't you like the video? Or if you have any doubts regarding this topic, or do you want any other topic to be done, please tell us in comments. We will be always here. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe the video. Thanks for watching.